I don't even know what to say. I've never done one of these videos before. Everyone say hi, Danny.
Hi, Danny.
Danny, you identify as a cisgender heterosexual male.
Something like that, yeah.
Something along those lines, and we're going to turn him into a biological female. So today we're going to be giving this man a little makeover, and the first thing that has to go is
The fur.
and we're back. Okay, so first we're gonna not get makeup on your hat, and we're gonna put this on your head. These are some old panties. Okay, I'm fucking this up, fucking it up. And we're gonna tie it around a little babushka.
Yes, babushka.
First, we're gonna prime the skin with my favorite moisturizer. They don't sponsor me, but they should. It's Tatcha.
I don't think I've ever used moisturizer before.
So then we're gonna go on with the Pore Professional Primer.
Why?
This is filling in your pores, so your skin looks porcelain. Put this in your hands and rub it all over your face and your neck. Now that the face is primed and ready, I go in with these little individual alcohol prep pads. Does it sting?
No, my hands are all like gooey. Yeah.
Let me know when your eyebrows feel dry.
My eyebrows feel dry.
Do they feel dry?
I've never had to think about this before.
We're gonna go in with some Elmer's glue stick. This is, you know, the purple
Oh,
disappearing.
you weren't kidding about glue.
I told you. Lovely, look at that art.
It like tickles my forehead in a way that I've never felt before.
You're about to feel a lot of things you've never felt before.
So fancy.
What?
My face. I want snacks. Oh, I feel like Nathan Lane in the birdcage.
So now we're gonna be putting some of this Ben Nye orange color corrector.
Now everyone's gonna see my terrible posture.
Ooh! Oh!
Oh. Alright, ready.
That is fucking disgusting. Let's talk about where you work.
I work at Mickey's.
What do you do at Mickey's?
I'm a bar back at Mickey's.
We all know the good old air spun. You can get it at Walmart, you get it on Amazon. I call it old lady powder because it smells like what?
My grandma, holy
Oh,
shit.
I'm risque, but you can call me Heather.
When it gets to your ear, it sounds like a dog.
Are you stoned? Now everyone say bye-bye, eyebrows.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna take him out to WeHo.
I'm wondering if I should go show up at Mickey's.
You should. Oh my god, get the gag.
They've already seen how I walk in heels. Oh, I fucking
She's
rock.
experienced.
4 older sisters. They like just fucked with me a lot.
And made you walk in heels.
And dressed me up like Marilyn Monroe. And
Where
put
are
a fan underneath
Okay,
me.
close. Now we're gonna go in with some Krylon. This is in the shade 5W.
I want snacks.
Is this an ASMR video now? All right, look at your eyebrows now. Now we're gonna draw on your highlights. Stop burping.
I'm not.
What is it? Sisters, not twins? What is it? How now, round brow?
Oh, sisters not twins. Okay, I get it now.
Bitch!
3 hours later.
Now we're just blending the brow highlight, and then we're gonna set it with Jeffree Star Cosmetic Blood Sugar in the shade Glucose. His brows are
The
gone.
inch is right here. Can I touch it? Or you...
Okay.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So you've never been in makeup outside of your sisters?
No, I mean, well, theater, but like...
Oh, let's see. Stage makeup.
Yeah, stage makeup. I have to quickly respond to my mother. See what she says to me. I said my drag friend is giving me a makeover.
Oh, now I don't got no name. I'm just my drag friend.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Now we're gonna start building on the eye with the mini Jawbreaker palette. All right, we're gonna start going in and start building his new eye. That look good, that look good. I mean, that's the easy side, so now I have to match it. So I'm using the color Purple Punch, and I'm using one of my favorite brushes, the e.l.f. Smudge Brush. We're gonna blend it out with a little Foreplay from the same palette.
You order pizza?
Nah, bitch.
The fuck?
Do you want 16 inches or 18 inches?
Honey.
Isn't that the question?
Honey. Honey. We're going in with this shadow, Sweet Lust. by MAC. It's like a pinky chrome. I don't know if you can see it.
I see.
But Mary's. I ain't talking to you. I'm talking to my fans. But this shit goes anywhere, we in trouble. I am blending the end of the crease into the new lash line with the color Gumdrop. This is Lemonhead. It is my secret weapon. I put it on literally everything. Then we're gonna go back into the mini breaker. We're gonna dip into shade Bubblegum. Oh! I know, we're almost there, baby.
I just want snacks.
What is next for you? I think foundation. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, about to go in
Yeah,
with
bro.
foundation. God, doing makeup on myself is so much easier.
Everything's easier when you do it to yourself.
But like, not because it should.
Wow.
Oh, see, the queen's coming
Oh,
out.
I'm gonna get sassy.
The
as
queen's
fuck.
coming out. Look at his cute little nose. This feminine ass nose. This good old brush is from a Crayola Craft kit from CVS that I have had for 10 years.
I look like Bambi almost, honestly.
Wow.
I look like Bambi.
Nose contour goes on. She's like, I'm a woman. Not only am I a woman, I'm a female deer. It's Tuesday night and I'm making my friend a beautiful lady.
You know, if you had ordered the pizza, it would be here by now.
You know, if you didn't look like a bitch, I would smack you.
Okay, so we are setting the under eye with some translucent Ben Nye powder.
Beer through a straw just seems wrong in every single way.
Now we're gonna put some super white Ben Nye under the eyes to cook a little bit.
Women have like rounder foreheads.
I'm gonna have rounder everything.
Like the more we get into this, like the more I actually do want to go show everybody at Mickey's.
But you gotta put on the dress and the heels.
As long as there's a good dress and right.
Oh, listen to her! Now we're gonna use this Pac-Man Wet n Wild blush, which I really enjoy. Why's your hand on my butt?
I don't know what that means.
Oh my god. Oh, I love this white rabbit. So stunning. Is it catching?
Yes.
Ah! You see that glitter, bitch?
I didn't like that.
You don't like that?
I don't like that.
Okay, so I am lining his bottom line, and then we're blending it out with the mini breaker in the shade Bubblegum.
What was the time?
It's time for the lash.
You didn't really shave.
I shaved!
No, I can see your stubble.
The fuck?
You just didn't shave with a razor.
No,
I
you
did.
It's okay, it looks just like you're a very porous woman.
I'm not mad. I told you, once the lash goes on. The gag. I'm beautiful. That's great. I'm happy with that.
I'm so pretty.
Loosen your lips.
You give me fucking freckles.
Give you 2 beauty marks because
You
we're
bitch.
extra gorgeous.
I feel beautiful. I feel so pretty.
Yes, we're not done.
Earrings?
I was gonna say.
I'm gonna put gemstones on your eyes. You see how it catches the light? Oh, it's so
Do I look pretty? Yeah. Yeah? Oh my goodness, you said yeah. Take some pictures for my mama. Yeah, we have to go to Mickey's.
You look really pretty.
I feel really pretty.
Hold it. Is it on your hairline?
Mm-hmm.
Here she is, boys. Here she is, girls. This is the final look of. Well, we didn't give you a name. What's your name? I don't know. We'll come up with a name.
We'll think of
What
something.
does she look like? She's gonna be slutty. I know it.
Oh, obviously.
I'm just happy with the outcome.
I'm so happy.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at Lyle C. Maxton, and you can follow Danny at
Chaves.
Sup, bro.
Sup, bro?
That's all she wrote.